Hello class 1, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our GK class we will start with chapter number 15 and chapter number 15 which is Ria's classroom. Okay, she is Ria. So today she will introduce to about her classroom. All right? This is Ria's classroom. There are some things in the classroom. So here are the things. Let's know about them. Okay, so in the classroom what do we see? There are numbers of things that are present in the classroom, isn't it? So today we'll learn about them. All right, first is this is blackboard where teacher write. All right, this is blackboard and this is chalk. Okay, we write on the blackboard with chalk, okay, which is white in color and it has different colors as well. Okay, and this is duster. Okay, after writing with chalk what we do, we rub them, isn't it? We erase them with the help of duster. This is duster. Okay, so this is blackboard, this is chalk, this is duster. All right, and here where teacher sit on the chair, isn't it? This is chair. All right, and this is table for teacher. Okay, next is see books, isn't it? These are books. All right, and this is cupboard. Okay, where we keep books, where we keep chalk, isn't it? Where we keep pencils, erasers. This is cupboard, and this is bulb to give light. Okay, and this is desk where students like you, okay, where students keep their books and copies to write. Okay, and this is dustbin. All right, to throw paper. All right, so this is dustbin, and this is bench where you sit and write. All right, so let's repeat again. Okay, this one is blackboard where teacher write with the help of chalk. Okay, and after writing they rub it, okay, with the help of duster. And this is chair, this is table, okay, and this is dustbin. All right, and these are books, and this is bulb, cupboard, desk and bench. Okay, so children, I request all of you to go through this chapter number 15 from GK fact book. Okay, now moving on to next is GK workbook. Okay, page number 1515. All right, Marty Joe's worksheet in my classroom. After going through GK fact book chapter number 15 Ria's classroom, after going through that chapter you move to this workbook. All right, in my classroom, page number 15. All right, so there are 6 words. See, there are 6 pictures and 6 words in this word search. That are the names of the things found in a classroom. All right, circle the words with a red crayon. Okay, first one is done for you. Okay, with the help of red crayon do it. Okay, I'm doing this with pencil but you do with red crayon. Okay, first one is done for you, which is book, BOOK, book. You have to search it. Okay, search the word from these letters. All right, next is, what is this? Bulb, isn't it? So here is bulb. All right, next is, this is crayon. Okay, you do with the help of crayon you do coloring, isn't it? So where is crayon? This is crayon. Okay, now next is, what is this? Chair, isn't it? What is this? This is chair. Okay, so you have to search the chair. All right, so where is the chair, children? Here, CHAIR, chair. Okay, now next is, this is desk, isn't it? This is desk, okay, or table. Alright, so where is table? Search it. So this is desk, okay. So here is desk, D-E-S-K, desk. Alright, now the last one is dustbin. Okay, so where is dustbin, children? You have to search first, okay, and this is dustbin, okay. This is how you have to do. Alright, so do this in your GK workbook. Alright, page number 15, chapter number 15 in my classroom, after going through GK fact book from chapter 15, which is Ria's classroom. Alright, we'll meet you in next class. Till then, bye.